हमारे देश में हर कोई किसी न किसी का काट रहा है। बिल्ली रास्ता काट रही है, पुलिस वाले चालान काट रहे हैं, बिजली विभाग वाले बिजली काट रहे हैं, लड़कियां लड़कों का काट रही है और सरकार पेड़ काट रही है। पहले इन्होंने छत्तीसगढ़ का हसदेव काटा, फिर राजस्थान के जंगलों को काटा, अब इनकी नज़र अरावली पर्वत श्रृंखला के पेड़ों पर है। भोसड़ी के बचपन से हमें सिखाया जाता है 5 मार्क्स के सवाल में, व्हाट आर द कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस ऑफ डिफोरेस्टेशन। Deforestation increases the temperature and pollution level on the earth. It increases the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. Groundwater level also gets lowered. We know that deforestation disturbs the balance in nature. If cutting down of trees continues, rainfall and the fertility of the soil will decrease. Moreover, there will be increased chances of natural calamities such as floods and droughts. We know that plants need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Fewer trees would mean that less carbon dioxide will be used up, resulting in its increased amount in the atmosphere. This will lead to global warming as carbon dioxide traps heat rays reflected by the earth. The increase in temperature on the earth disturbs the water cycle and may reduce rainfall. This could cause drought. Deforestation is a major cause which leads to change in soil properties. Fewer trees result in more soil erosion. The removal of the top layer of the soil exposes the lower hard rocky layer. This soil has less humus and is less fertile. Gradually, the fertile lands gets converted into desert. Deforestation also leads to decrease in the water holding capacity of the soil. The movement of water from the soil surface into the ground is reduced, so there are floods. The other properties of the soil like nutrient content and texture also changes because of the deforestation. भोसड़ी के इतनी सी बात तुम्हारी समझ में नहीं आती। यदि तुम पेड़ों को काटोगे तो ऑक्सीजन की कमी हो जाएगी और तुम भी ऐसे कुत्ते की तरह हाँफते फिरोगे। जय हिंद।